Have you ever nibbled into a piece of fluffy, delicate cake that seemed to be made of clouds? That's probably because the ideal amount of baking soda was used when making that cake. It's no secret that adding baking soda to any dessert makes it fluffy and delicious. However, did you know that consuming a solution of baking soda can really enhance your general health? That's incredible, improving your health using a well-known and functional home item. We'll go over the main arguments today for why you must incorporate a tablespoon of baking soda into your daily regimen. Now let's get going. Before we discuss the incredible health advantages, let's talk about baking soda. How do you bake soda? Baking soda, sometimes referred to by its chemical name, sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring mineral that is widely used in agriculture, cleaning, odor control, and teeth whitening, among many other applications. It is commonly understood to be an alkaline material, which means that its potential hydrogen pH value is 7 and it dissolves in water. To put it into perspective, the body can remain alkaline at a pH level of 7, which is neutral. Why then is that beneficial to you? Okay. Digestion can be improved by using baking soda. Boost your digestion. The next time you experience heartburn or gas, try a glass of baking soda solution. Because baking soda is alkaline, it reduces the pH levels in the stomach, quieting any rumblings and getting rid of the gassy feeling. Since sodium bicarbonate is a great technique to support a smooth digestive tract and aid in digestion, it is a common ingredient in anti-gas drinks. Do you want to maintain the health of your heart? Heart-related health? Yes, you might not think that drinking a glass of baking soda and water would assist with this. But in fact, it can help open up veins and arteries all over the body, resulting in smoother blood flow. Your heart won't feel pressured and will be able to function normally. Additionally, drinking baking soda water might lower potassium levels in the blood if you have low blood pressure. The benefits of baking soda on inflammation provide yet another excellent incentive to drink it. A flare-up. Bloating, which is frequent after a large meal or eating too rapidly, can be caused by inflammation. Baking soda is the ideal cure for any digestive issues you may be having because it restores digestive function by neutralizing excess gas, acid, and enzymes and restoring proper digestive system function. The next time you feel bloated after eating, try a baking soda solution. It will undoubtedly work magic. Does it actually aid in kidney stone prevention? Avoid coronary stones. Kidney stones can be extremely uncomfortable and painful. They are highly frequent in people between the ages of 30 and 60 and likely to develop in one or both kidneys. On the other hand, kidney stone prevention can be effectively achieved by using baking soda water. You can assist your body eliminate extra calcium by producing more urine by adding baking soda to your water. Its alkaline nature allows it to counteract stomach acidity, which is frequently a contributing factor to kidney stone formation. The use of baking soda combats acid reflux. Aids take on acid reflux. When stomach acid flows backward into the tube that joins your stomach and esophagus, it is known as acid reflux. Because it creates heartburn or chest burn, a terrible burning sensation in the chest, it can be extremely painful. An acid neutralizer, such as baking soda, the main ingredient in today's video, is necessary to fight this. If you suffer from acid reflux, its antacid characteristics make it the ideal choice for you. It may raise the levels of testosterone. Boost levels of testosterone. Baking soda neutralizes pH and returns the body to an alkaline state, which is particularly beneficial for exercise. Your oxygen intake can be increased and your strength and performance can be enhanced by alkaline muscles. Exercise that is properly taught aids in the release of testosterone, which has positive effects on mood, stress reduction, and male fertility, among other things. Baking soda helps combat malignant tumors. Combating malignant tumors. According to studies, cancer cells have an acidic layer outside of them that facilitates their penetration and infection of host cells, leading to tumor development. Chemotherapy and immunotherapy can more easily target cells that lack this acidic outer layer. How is baking soda beneficial? Because of its fundamental characteristics, tumor acids can be neutralized, pH levels can be raised, and healthy cells are not harmed. Additionally, a pH balance strengthens the body's defenses against cancer, assisting the patient in their fight. Baking soda can aid in the digestion of treatments like chemotherapy, but it should not be relied upon as a standalone treatment to prevent cancer. I hope you now see a few reasons to incorporate baking soda into your daily routine for health benefits. But how precisely do you achieve that? Creating a solution for baking soda. Creating a solution with baking soda. This recipe is as easy as it gets. All you need to do is take a glass of water. It should be between 200 and 250 milliliters. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, and mix. Look? Incredibly simple. You can get by with 1 or 2 glasses each day, preferably on an empty stomach. Who would have thought it could be so beneficial to mix baking soda with water? Would you like to know more baking soda trivia and tricks? Let's continue the discussion with a few more films about baking soda. Must we? Examine these 9 baking soda hacks you should know before using baking soda in your garden. Feel free to click one. Better still, watch both to discover more about baking soda's amazing applications. Did any of these arguments appeal to you? Tell us in the comments section below.